Moisturizing Magic, a key to healthy skin. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a topic that is essential to your morning routine: moisturizing. It is part of the face and skincare routine that helps keep your skin hydrated, soft, and healthy. So let's dive in and learn all about it. Moisturizing comes from the word moisture, which means the presence of liquid, often in trace amounts. So, moisturizing is the process of making something slightly wet or keeping it damp. When we talk about skincare, it involves applying a lotion, cream, or gel to your skin to prevent dryness and keep it hydrated. Here's a sentence you can use. I use a moisturizer every day to keep my skin soft and supple. Now, you might wonder, why is moisturizing important? Moisturizing helps to hydrate the skin and lock in its natural oils. It can also protect the skin from various environmental factors such as sun, wind, and cold weather. You can say, moisturizing is important because it helps maintain my skin's health and appearance. Let's look at how we can use the term moisturizing in daily conversations. For example, when discussing your morning routine, you can say, after washing my face, I apply a moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated throughout the day. Or when you're sharing your favorite skincare products with a friend, you might say, this is the best moisturizer I've ever used. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth and refreshed. There are other words and phrases related to moisturizing that can enrich your vocabulary. 1. Hydrate, to supply with water or moisture. 2. Drinking water helps to hydrate the skin from within. 3. Nourish, to provide with the food or substances necessary for growth, health, and good condition. 4. I use a nourishing cream at night to repair my skin. 5. Rejuvenate, to make someone or something look or feel younger, fresher, or more lively. 6. A good night's sleep rejuvenates my skin. Try incorporating these words into your English conversations to make them more natural and interesting. That's it for today, learners. Remember, moisturizing is not just a term, it's a crucial part of your daily skincare routine. Use it, understand it, and most importantly, make it a part of your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and keep shining. Until next time, bye.